Hey everyone, staying productive while managing multiple tasks and projects can be challenging. Asana provides powerful tools that can help you organize work, prioritize tasks, and keep your goals on track. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve productivity with Asana using simple strategies and features. So yeah, let's get started. First, organize your projects clearly inside Asana. Create separate projects for different goals, teams, or workflows. A well-structured project makes it easier to find information and understand what needs to be done. Next, break your work into clear and actionable tasks. Instead of creating broad tasks, make each task specific and easy to understand. Add descriptions, attachments, and important details so everyone knows exactly what needs to happen. To improve productivity, focus on the tasks that matter most. Use priorities, due dates, and custom fields to identify urgent work and organize your daily schedule. Knowing what to complete first can help you avoid wasting time. My Tasks is a great place to manage your personal workload in Asana. Review your assigned tasks, organize them into sections, and create a daily plan. This gives you a clear view of what you need to accomplish. Automation can save a lot of time by reducing repetitive actions. Use Asana rules and recurring tasks to automatically update tasks, assign work, or create repeated workflows. Small automations can make your day much easier. If you often create similar projects, use Asana templates. Templates allow you to start with a ready-made structure instead of building everything from the beginning. This helps teams save time and maintain consistency. Better collaboration leads to better productivity. Use task comments, mentions, file attachments, and project updates to keep communication connected to the work. This reduces confusion and keeps everyone aligned. Finally, review your progress regularly. Check completed tasks, upcoming deadlines, and project status updates. Reviewing your work helps you identify problems early and adjust your plans when needed. And that's how to improve productivity with Asana. By organizing projects, prioritizing tasks, automating workflows, and improving collaboration, you can create a more efficient way to manage your work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Asana tutorial.